what keeps email marketers awake at night is not how their mailer looks in the latest iPhone, but what if their mailers are going into the spam folder of the target audience. So today's case study is really about this. It's a quick and simple one. There is a link given in the case study which will take you to the mailer, and there's also another link which will tell you the most commonly used keywords which qualify a mailer as a spam mail. Now the way email filters work, and each email filter will work in a different way, which is Gmail and Yahoo or some corporate email. With all of these work in a different way, but they one of the most common ways in which they classify a mail as a spam mail is by looking at the keywords. Looking at the keywords in the content in the subject line. It's sometimes the subject line is a giveaway, right? That this is a spam mail. Now why have these keywords been shortlisted? Because over years, the spamsters or the people who are trying to fraud you, they have been using these kind of keywords in their mailers. So this is like a signal, if you use it today, that perhaps you could be someone who's trying to spam people. Now, so very quick case study. What you have to do is read the article, look at the kind of keywords which qualify a mail as a spam mail. And then on the other hand, look at this mail and, tell us why you think it's a spam mail, or you think it doesn't really qualify to be a spam mail. Thank you.